Amazon links with the best price in the description.
The Dell Inspiron 16 laptop has completely exceeded my expectations. If you're looking for a laptop that delivers both raw power and professional elegance, this is the one to beat. From its stunning design to powerhouse performance, every feature feels carefully crafted for productivity and style. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the AMD Ryzen 7-8840U processor. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and speeds up to 5.1 GHz, this laptop absolutely flies through everything I throw at it. Whether I'm multitasking between heavy spreadsheets, editing videos, or running professional software, the responsiveness is top-notch. It's a serious productivity enhancer. The 16-inch FHD Plus display is simply gorgeous. The extra screen real estate and anti-glare feature make working for long hours a pleasure, even in bright environments. Colors are vibrant, text is razor-sharp, and the 1920 by 1200 resolution gives just that little bit of extra vertical space that's perfect for documents, browsing, and creative projects. The 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and blazing fast 1 TB SSD provide a seamless experience, making boot times near instant and file transfers lightning fast. Applications launch in a blink, and there's plenty of storage for all my work files, media, and more. I also love the professional touch of the backlit keyboard. It's not only functional for low-light environments but also adds a sleek, premium feel to the laptop. Typing is comfortable, and the layout is excellent for productivity. Connectivity is another huge plus. With USB 3.2 Type-A and Type-C, HDMI, and the latest Wi-Fi 6E, staying connected to devices and the internet is effortless. Whether at home, in the office, or on the move, I never have to worry about staying linked to my tools and data. Finally, the FHD RGB camera and dual-array microphones make virtual meetings crystal clear. The video quality is sharp, and the audio is clear and natural, perfect for professional video calls and content creation. Final verdict, the Dell Inspiron 16 is a superb choice for professionals, students, and creatives alike. It's fast, reliable, beautifully designed, and packed with features that enhance productivity and communication. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or creating content on the go, this laptop delivers premium performance without compromise.
Amazon links with the best price in the description.